In the number 2 of these lab activities, it is given to prepare the following worksheet and perform the task. If total amount is above 10,000, discount is allowed 10%, otherwise 5% in total amount. This task we have to perform in MS Excel. Go to the MS Excel. Now you have to type this data, or you can get typed document in lab activities folder. Let's calculate the total amount. Place the pointer in E2 cell. Type the formula in formula bar. Is equal to total is equal to quantity into rate. Quantity is represented by C2 cell. C2 into rate is represented by D2 cell. Select the D2. Now press the enter key. Total amount is calculated. Now copy this formula in the rest of cell using fill handle. Click the fill handle and drag it. In this way, we have to calculate the discount. Place the pointer in F2 cell. Now type the formula. Discount is calculated using if function. The condition is given over here. If total amount is above 10,000, discount is allowed 10%, otherwise 5% in total amount. Now let's type this formula. Now discount is calculated. Now copy this formula in the rest of cell using the fill handle. Click the fill handle and drag it. Now we have to find the net total. Place the pointer in G2 cell. Type the formula in formula bar. Is equal to net total is equal to total minus discount. Total is represented by E2 cell minus discount is represented by F2 cell. Now press the enter key. Look here, net total is calculated. Copy this formula in the rest of cell using the fill handle. Finally, we have to calculate the net grand total. Place the pointer in G8 cell. I like to use the auto sum feature to calculate this net grand total. Click the auto sum option from editing group. Now range of data is selected. Press the enter key. Look here, net grand total is also calculated. In this way, we have completed our work. You have to practice yourself to develop your computing skill in MS Excel after watching this video.